Developing a business website using Laravel. PHP Artisan served to run. CD Donut and PHP Artisan served. Just wait. Tagal. Ay, hindi siya naka-ano. Ayan. So, pa-follow link natin. Search home. So, we have home, about us, contact us, services, blogs and news, testimonials or reviews, portfolio or case studies, FAQ, privacy and policy and terms and conditions. So we have home. Welcome to Donaticious website. About me, I'm a web developer student at creating dynamic and responsive websites. My expertise includes front-end and back-end development as well as a strong understanding of user experience designs. This is my products, donuts and coffee. And about us. About us is, welcome to our website. We are passionate team dedicated to delivering high-quality products and services. Our mission is to provide innovative solutions that meet the needs of our customers and exceed their expectations. With a commitment to excellence and a focus on customer satisfaction, we strive to make a positive impact in everything we do. Mission and vision meet our team. Go to know the amazing individuals behind Donaticious. The founder and CEO is Rolando A. Goting Jr. and the head marketing is Kathleen E. Cabanlig and chief beverage specialist is Joshua Cabanlig. Contact us. The contact us in the container is light gray and name, email, subject, message, phone. It will stored in database, so let's try to check in database. Check to the database. The table contact messages is empty, so let's try. Send a message. So let's check if the data is stored in this table. So let's refresh. Ayan, wala na. Next, services. Our delicious services. Our donut services is donut delivery, custom donuts, donut catering, donut workshops, subscription service, and the blogs. The perfect donut recipe, and the news. Breaking news, new donut flavor launch. Testimonials, reviews, what our customers say. Donaticious offers the best donuts in town. The flavors are exceptional and the service is always friendly. My go-to place for a sweet treat. Portfolio or case studies. Our case studies is corporate catering for local business, school fundraiser collaboration, wedding celebration with custom donuts, FAQ. Frequency asked questions. What types of donuts do you offer? Do you offer vegan or gluten-free options? Can I order donuts in bulk for special events? How can I place an order online? What is your delivery area? Do you offer any loyalty programs or discounts? Can I customize my donuts? Privacy policy. Information we collect, how we use your information, data protection, cookies, sharing your information, your rights. Change to this policy, contact us. Terms and conditions. Acceptance of terms, modification of the terms, use of website, product information, orders and payments, shipping and delivery, cancellation and returns. Intellectual property, limitation of liability, governing law, contact us. I already create abuse blogs, includes header, news index blade.php, portfolio index blade.php, show.blade.php, about us, contact us, and FAQ and home layout, privacy, services, terms and terms and conditions, testimonials. Then let's check. I already create the web route. Home controller, about us controller, contact us controller, services controller, blog controller, news controller, portfolio controller, testimonials controllers, review controllers, FAQ controller, privacy policy controller, terms and conditions controller, and this is the controller PHP. Blog contact controller, FAQ, home, news, portfolio, privacy policy, review controller, services, terms and conditions, testimonials, controllers. And the models folder, contact message.php, project.php. That's it.